true. Getting ready for Fergus right now. Got the generator going. Got all the cars here. The rollover. It's going to be rollover. It's an old Corolla. I'll show you it. Got the Diesel Doctors guy on there. Smash Car Racing. And Diesel Doctors. That's what it says. And then my expertise. For Corolla, we found that it has roll in it. And since it's a rollover car, well, you know, pretty cool, eh? And this says yo. I got it off of what's that movie? I forget. Oh, the guy with the cowboy. I don't know. Whatever. It's Crazy Ray. If I die upside down, kiss my ass. Dickweeds. Nice screen so nothing goes missing. Smash Car Racing once again. It's got a bike in my way. It's my figure 8 car. I've used it in like 3 races already. It's still going. It's pretty safe. A couple little dents in it already, but other than that.
If no one's gonna do it, I'll do it.
And that's the door plate. I'm just putting it on now. And that's my truck over there on Nick's truck. It's my F-150. And here we have the pretty much, it's going to win best looking, I hope, just no tempo. Also pretty sick. And there's Casey's figure 8 car. I think I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. That's it. So right now, it's pretty much just get everything all ready, get everything together, and less than 24 hours we're going to be smashing shit.
Classic.
Yes. Topped out past a zoo. There's fucking Alex over there. What the fuck's he doing?
Bobbles! We're the trailer park boys.
Oh look. And that's pretty much, it's ready to go. Fucking Scooby's tail right here.
Oh look, you got chain right here.
Oh look, I found chain.
Yeah,
all right.
On the video.
I'll see you guys later.
Fuel tank.